Professor Ejiofor, one last thing I totally forgot. There are a lot of people who trace their heritage to the Igbo people in Nigeria. Last year, there were some Haitians who came to the East, to Enugu in particular, and they met with government officials and they wanted to associate with Igbo people. There are people in Jamaica, in America, who trace their heritage to the Igbo. Is there anything that the World Igbo Congress is doing to reach out to people who are not more just the recent people who left the East, but people who probably were taken out of the eastern part of the country or associate themselves with the eastern part of the country many years ago? Is there anything that is in place that the World Igbo Congress is doing along that line?
Yes, my brother. There's a lot going on. We do recognize the potentials we have with these people. When you talk of when you talk about direct foreign investment, when you talk about remittances, when you talk about investments in industry, in just name it, we know the capacity that these individuals have and the potential that they will be of help to us. We have reached out to them and we are still reaching out to them. You named a number of countries, and I will take one of them as an example, that of Haiti. Haiti, we know that initially Haiti scheduled to hold a presidential election November 7, 2021, to elect their president. That has been shifted. Hopefully by February or so, they will hold that election. That group that went to Igbo, like you mentioned, that group was led by Ambassador Jean Pillard, who is also contesting to be president. He has approached us for support, recognizing that we are their brothers. And so in due course, when it becomes clearer to us when that election will hold, we will bring him up to this our forum so that you all will be in a position to do what? To hear him and support him. That is the kind of thing we do. We are reaching out. You also probably know about Igbo World Assembly, our sister organization that is we work together very well. Igbo World Assembly also conducts on annual basis this DNA test that is helping all the Igbo people, Black Americans, African Americans, to come and identify themselves through DNA studies and trace their ancestry. So we are doing quite a bit in that field because we recognize the importance of that block of people. Thank you.